Okay, this is the midterm submission for Objective 1 for Mech 140 for Byron Langston. So here we have a LED changing based on temperature reading. And this circuit was wired using the included temperature sensor that I have attached with some tape there just to keep it in on some jumper wires. The RGB multicolor LED and the Arduino board. So this is wired up using the temperature sensor with some jumpers into the breadboard and the hooked up to 5-volt power and ground with the center signal pin wired over to analog pin A0. And it takes that reading and converts it into a temperature using the software as it's been coded, and then produces a output on or off to pins 5, 6, and 8, which are each individually hooked up to one of the different colors on the RGB LED, wired through 220 ohm resistors as current limiters. So what happens is that if a certain temperature is detected, that is converted to a value, and the digital pins are switched on or off in a corresponding manner. The software is coded to recognize that if the temperature is below 85 degrees or above 65 degrees, that it's room temperature and the LED lights up green. Using body heat, and let me refocus on the serial monitor in the back, using body heat, if I heat up the temperature sensor, the temperature increases until it's above 85 and it turns the green pin off. The blue pin continues to stay off, and it turns on pin number 5, which is connected to the red cathode on the LED, and the LED lights up red. If I take my fingers off of that, you can see on the serial monitor that the temperature begins to drop. The LED turns green again. And if we place the temperature sensor into this tall, cool, frosty beverage of ice water, the temperature begins to drop until it goes below 65, and the LED turns blue. By switching off the power to pins 5 and 8 for red and green, and switches on the power to pin 6 for blue.